Welcome! If you've been getting too many recommendation notifications from X and you're ready to cut down the clutter, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable those notifications so you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free experience. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up your main device settings. We're not going inside the X app itself just yet. This adjustment happens directly through your phone's system settings. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Apps and tap on it. This section manages all the applications installed on your phone, including the one we're working on today. From here, look through the list and select the X app. Once you tap on it, you'll see several options that let you control how the app behaves on your device. Now choose the Notifications option. This is where you can decide exactly what types of alerts you want to receive or don't want to receive from the app. After opening the notification settings, you'll see an option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on this to get a detailed breakdown of different notification types. Each category represents a kind of alert that X wants to send to you. What we're focusing on today is the category called Spaces. This is the one that often includes recommendations or suggestions you may not find useful. All you need to do is toggle this setting off. Once you switch off Spaces notifications, you'll immediately reduce the number of unnecessary recommendations popping up on your phone. Don't worry, you'll still receive the important alerts you want, just without all the extra noise, and that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your notifications and made your X app experience much smoother. If you found this guide helpful, consider applying the same process to other apps that overwhelm you with alerts. A quick adjustment in your notification categories can make a huge difference in how calm and focused your phone feels every day. Thanks for following along.